Come on, man.
Huh? What did you say?
Stop ignoring your food.
Huh? What is he doing?
I don't know. He's psyching us out.
Yeah. I'm here to learn.
What is that?
Yeah, Mama.
Patty, you're fine.
What did they do that?
That's why I'm surprised that
Daddy, let me show you.
See over there.
Where? I can see it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, great.
Some tigers live in these orange tigers live in snow.
they're good.
Great. Perfect.
Oh, come on.
Not quite the fight.
I know, right?
Why is he eating that pig that's sitting down?
Big jump. There it is. Yeah.
She was trying really hard there for a second. Just little nibbles.
She got it. Do a big jump.
There you got it.
Oh no, she's gonna quit.
So right now, our animal care staff is up controlling that zip line and actually pulling it away from her. Yeah. So that is part of sort of making it a little bit more challenging for her to get this. It encourages those natural tiger behaviors, running, jumping, pouncing. hugging.
Hey,
There we go.
got it. All right.
Challenging.
He got it. Why did she do that?
Because it's feeding time.
Tigers is about 1,050.
Can you help me?